Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two indoor security cameras that will make you feel like a spy in your own home. In the left corner, we have the Litokam 2K indoor security camera, and in the right corner, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Let the battle of the eyes begin. When it comes to video quality, both cameras pack a punch. The Litokam 2K offers 2K HD resolution, giving you sharper details and crystal clear image quality. It's like watching a blockbuster movie in your living room. But wait, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K steps up the game with its 4 megapixels HD resolution. It's so clear you'll be able to spot a fly on the wall from across the room. Point goes to the LaView. Now let's talk about the field of view. The Litokam 2K boasts a wide viewing angle with its horizontal 360 degrees and vertical 110 degrees function. No blind spots here. But hold on tight, because the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K takes it to the next level with its 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle. It captures the entire room, leaving no corner unwatched. Another point for the LaView. When the sun goes down, the real action begins. The Litokam 2K comes equipped with manually adjustable night vision that can reach up to 33 feet in pitch darkness. It's like having a superhero's vision. However, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K takes the crown with its advanced starlight night vision. It provides full-color video even in the darkest of nights. Say goodbye to grainy footage. Another win for the LaView. Let's talk about motion detection, because we don't want any unwanted visitors sneaking around. The Litokam 2K uses smart perceive technology to detect movements and send you instant alerts. You'll never miss a beat. But wait, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K takes it a step further with its motion detection and tracking alerts. It's like having your very own personal bodyguard. Another point for the LaView. Now let's dive into the extra features that make these cameras stand out. The Litokam 2K offers two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with your loved ones or scare off intruders. It's like having a secret agent's communication device. On the other hand, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K not only has two-way audio, but also a 110 decibels alarm siren. Intruders won't know what hit them. Another win for the LaView. Finally, let's talk about the price tag. The Litokam 2K comes in at a budget-friendly $49, making it a great option for those watching their wallets. But wait, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K offers all these amazing features for just $69. It's a steal. Point goes to the LaView. In summary, the Litokam 2K indoor security camera is highly recommended for monitoring elderly parents and for monitoring kids and pets in different rooms. It offers good picture quality, night vision capabilities, and excellent sound. The setup process can be a bit tricky, but the app is easy to use. On the other hand, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K receives high praise for its performance, features, and value for money. It provides excellent coverage with its 360 degrees 2K capabilities and full-color day and night vision. The motion detection and audible alarm are effective in ensuring home security. The setup process is quick and easy, and the camera is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. And that's a wrap, folks. In this epic showdown between the Litokam 2K indoor security camera and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K, the LaView takes the crown with its superior video quality, wider field of view, advanced night vision, motion detection with tracking, additional features, and an unbeatable. But remember, the best camera for you depends on your specific needs and budget. So make sure to do your research before making a purchase. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.